Well, the Learning and Development Center builds on the legacy of 150 years of care in our community. Similarly, today, the vision of an enhanced learning and education center to help shape the future training to meet those future needs continues.
The long-term and dementia care sector of healthcare is ever evolving. We know we are seeing clients and residents presenting with higher needs. So we need to make sure that our staff, students, volunteers, and care partners are equipped with the specific skill sets necessary to meet those demands.
The vision of the center really started with the strategic plan in 2022 to 2025. We were coming off a period of COVID, and we acknowledged that we needed to look at a way to reinvest in our staff and to reconnect with volunteers as well as students. So we hired Janelle, our Learning and Development Coordinator, and we hired Tori, our Volunteer and Student Coordinator. And together, the vision of the Learning and Development Center began to emerge.
I think the collaboration piece with volunteers is extremely important. We're treating volunteers as a part of the team rather than that extra set of hands. So we are really investing into our volunteers in the sense that we're providing them with the same orientation and onboarding training that staff would receive.
Every day we strive to live by our 5 guiding principles: compassion, accountability, respect, excellence, and collaboration. Certainly the center will respond to excellence in terms of research, in terms of education, and the last in terms of collaboration, really bringing a community resource to help work with our community partners to help improve health outcomes that we all believe in.
The Learning and Development Center at McCormick was thoughtfully designed with creativity and collaboration in mind. So the space features a number of different areas that embrace technology and enhance the learning experience for our learners. The innovation in the training programs that will be offered centrally lie in the simulation of hands-on lifelike scenarios. So high-fidelity mannequins will be used to program lifelike scenarios by subject matter experts, enabling staff, students, volunteers, care partners to take part in those real-life scenarios where they're able to practice the hands-on skills, but in a safe and controlled environment.
I think with the Learning and Development Center, we want to provide a training program for all who come into the organization and kind of give them that McCormick stamp of approval. So if they can't be recruited with us, then when people see, oh, they did their placement at McCormick or they volunteered at McCormick, they're like, that's who we want. That's what we want to be.
We have developed plans that reconverts this space into a dynamic learning and development center. We've estimated the cost of the project to be about $1 million. And we're really pleased that we've been able to attract the interest of the Ministry of Skills Development and Training, who are looking at our proposal, and if successful, would be funding about half of the capital cost. In the meantime, our board has said, let's move ahead, fully committed to this project, and we're so thankful for the support of the McCormick Care Foundation, and we're looking for the community as well to support us on this important strategic investment, not only for McCormick Care Group, but for those that we serve in the community.